Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make strudel dough using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients: 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 125 milliliters of warm water, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt. Combine these in a large bowl, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic to the touch. Once your dough is smooth, form it into a ball and lightly brush the entire surface with about 15 milliliters of vegetable oil. This prevents it from drying out. Place the oiled dough into a clean bowl, cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a damp cloth, and let it rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the gluten to relax, which is essential for achieving that super thin, delicate strudel dough. Now for the fun part, stretching the dough. Lightly flour a large, clean surface like a tablecloth. Place the rested dough in the center and gently begin to stretch it from the middle outwards, using the backs of your hands. Work slowly and evenly, lifting the dough slightly to let gravity assist. Continue stretching until the dough is incredibly thin and translucent, almost like tissue paper, covering an area of about 24 by 36 inches. After stretching, trim any thick edges from your delicate dough and brush it generously with about 30 grams of melted butter. Then, spread your chosen filling evenly over 2/3 of the dough, leaving 1/3 empty for rolling. Now, for the final step, carefully roll the strudel using the tablecloth to help you. Bake it according to your specific recipe instructions for a golden, flaky treat. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.